Hello, my dear student. Welcome back to your online classes. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School, situated Kolabazar, Gorakhpur. Student, here I am back with my another video. In this video, we're going to discuss about the introduction, which is the next topic of your English grammar book. Okay, student. So, in this topic, we have to learn about the introductions. So, student, have you know about the introduction? Do you know that? So, you have to learn this topic in your previous classes. Now, today I'm going to again explain this topic to you. So, let's start the video. So, firstly, there is a definition of introduction. So, what is an introduction? So, an introduction is a word thrown in mostly at the beginning of a sentence or in a conversation to express a deep or sudden emotion. It is followed by an exclamation mark. Student, what is introductions? So, introduction is a word thrown in mostly at the beginning of a sentence or in a conversation, and it always followed by an exclamation mark. Student, what is an exclamation mark? It is a line. Have you seen the exclamation mark? Have a line and a dot below that line. Okay, this mark is called exclamation mark. Okay, so student, we have to see that an introduction is a word that is used to express a strong feeling or emotion. We have to use introduction word for show our feeling or emotion. Okay, students, so here are some examples of introduction word. So let's see. Here is the first. Wow, what a brilliant idea. Wow, what a brilliant idea. So here is the word wow is interjection word, and this word is showing that emotion of praise and surprise. Okay, now next sentence is what did you say? What did you say? Next, oops, I'm sorry. Oops, I'm sorry. Next, hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? After that, next sentence, ouch, that's hurts. Phew, it's finally done. Yo, it's finally done. Next, yuck, this taste is awful. Okay, so these are the some sentence we have to see by using of interjection word. So now, next, here we have to learn that how this word are expressing their emotion. So let's read and have a look. So read some commonly used interjection and their uses are given below. So first, O used for expressing sadness or wonder. Here is the first word O, and O used for expressing sadness or wonder. In a sentence, we have to write that, oh, your grandfather met with an accident. Oh, your grandfather met with an accident. After that, hush to be quiet. We have to use hush to be quiet. So here in a sentence, we have to write that, hush, the teacher is coming. Okay, now next is ah. So we have to use ah for expressing pain or grief. We have to use ah for expressing pain or grief. In a sentence, we have to say that I have a stomach ache. Okay. Now next word is hurrah. So hurrah used for expressing happiness or joy. We have to say hurrah for expressing happiness or joy. In a sentence, we have to say that hooray, India won the cricket match. Hooray, India won the cricket match. Okay. Now the next is ouch. Next word is ouch. So when do we use ouch? We have to use ouch for expressing sadness, sudden pain or embarrassment. Okay, sudden pain and embarrassment. So in a sentence, we have to say that ouch, the nail pierced my finger. Ouch, the nail pierced my finger. Now the next is alas. Okay, alas. So we have to use alas for expressing grief. We have to say that alas, I lost my mobile phone. Now the next interjection word is oops. Now next interjection word is oops. So oops used for saying sorry. Oops used for saying sorry. So we have to say oops, I'm sorry I dropped your book. In a sentence we have to use oops to say that oops, I am sorry I dropped your book. Now the next is wow. So wow used for expressing wonder or surprise. Student, in the beginning we have to learn that wow used for expressing wonder or surprise. Okay, so now in a sentence we have to say wow, the rainbow looks beautiful. Wow, the rainbow looks beautiful. Now the next word is yuck. Yuck used for expressing disgust. Okay, disgust. So we have to say that yuck, there is a mosquito in my soup. Yuck, there is a mosquito in my soup. Now the next, moving to the read the following sentences. Okay, so we have again learn the given sentences. First is hurrah, we have won the match. So here is the word hurrah express our happiness. Okay, now the next word is alas. So alas, he has died. So we have to use alas for alas, so the emotion of sadness. Okay, now the next is third word is bravo. Bravo, you did well, very. So we have bravo showing the expression of emotion praise. Okay, bravo is showing the emotion of praise. Now the next, oh what a beautiful flower. Oh what a beautiful flower. So after that next is ouch. So student, we have to learn that ouch show the pain. Okay, ouch show the pain. Ouch, that hurts. And now next is hush, don't make noise. Okay, and the next is in this sentence is word hurrah, alas, bravo, oh, ouch, and each interjection is always followed by an exclamation mark. Have you seen in this sentences, in this word there is an exclamation mark. So now next is there is a question, what is an interjection? So student, tell me what is an interjection. I have already told you that what is an interjection. So you have to say an interjection is a word that expresses some sudden feeling, and an interjection is always followed by an exclamation mark. Okay. So now next there is many more words you have to learn. So student, there is a notes for you. You have to remember it that interjection are words used for expressing sudden feelings or emotion. You have always remember what is an interjection. So you have to always say that interjections are word used for expressing sudden feeling or emotion. They express feeling of joy, sadness, excitement, surprise, fear or disgust. We often use these all words that we have learned in previous. Okay, so there are some words that you have seen. There is the word of oh, ouch, hus, what. Okay, so student, these are the interjection word, and you have to learn this all given interjection word one by one. Okay, in a sentence you have to use this all interjection word. You make a sentence. Okay, so student, you have to learn this all given interjection word and their related emotions. Okay, and student, you have also note down this all interjection word and their emotion in your notebook with a good handwriting. So student, I hope this topic will be clear to you. What is the interjection and their words you have already learned in this video. So student, you have to learn this all one by one again and again. And student, you have always remember what is the interjection and their uses. Okay, so student, let's one more time read again this words, these all words. There is an interjection word hurrah, yippee, yay are expresses the emotion of happiness. Oh, alas, shows the emotion of sadness and grief. Cheers, bravo, great, wow, congratulations express the emotion of praise. Oh no, oh bother, whoops are shows the expression of disappointment, and eureka is so the expression of excitement, what, oh, how, wow, showing the expression emotion of surprise, and ouch showing the expression of pain. Okay student, so these are the words of interjection that you learn in this video. I hope is that clear to you, the concept of interjection and how do we use this all interjection word in any sentence. So student, that's it for today. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.